So from the same company that has brought you the highly regarded White Line range of products, basically bolt-on performance enhancement suspension components for your road vehicles, comes Nolathane. So who exactly are Nolathane? Well, they've been operating very successfully in Australia and New Zealand, in fact market leading for 40 odd years, and have specialised in polyurethane bushings and providing a whole range of suspension servicing solutions for a wide range of vehicles. Now, I want to add that Australia and New Zealand offer some of the toughest terrain, territory and roads in the world for proving out components for longevity and fit for purpose. So why Nolathane? Well, before we even have the discussion as to the worth of putting in, say, White Line suspension enhancing components, we need to understand that a vehicle's joints break down with fatigue, with use, with wear over time. It's a fact, and it's the biggest cause of all the sorts of issues and symptoms that we often experience in a road vehicle. So whether it's wobbling steering, maybe your steering's out of whack, the car's not tracking right, maybe you've got a vibration coming through your brake pedal, maybe that's coming through the steering. Well, more often than not, it'll be a result of worn bushings, and we call that in our world arthritis. Exactly the same way in a human we have arthritis. So Nolathane make a great range of solutions for that particular problem. One of the things I've personally loved about Nolathane for many, many years is they're innovators. They have never, ever stood still. Their bushings ain't any old bushings. They innovate. They've got great formulations designed into these, fitment options. They really have got that base covered. And did I say lifetime warranty? Cost effective and economic. So the kicker in all of this, they now make them available for a broad range of vehicles in the North American market. So it doesn't matter whether you're talking classics, SUVs, trucks, commercial vehicles, restorations, or a sports car, they will have you covered. So do yourself a favour, don't listen to me, jump online, check their website, and you'll see exactly what I'm banging on about.